Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel Zero to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to create playlist on YouTube channel. So many users are facing problem while creating playlist. So I will tell you in this video how to create playlist on your YouTube channel. So let's start this video. First of all, subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity. To create playlist on your channel, first of all you need to open your YouTube app. So after opening your YouTube app, you need to go to the right top corner, and here option came out of your channel. You need to simply click on this option, and after click on this option, here you can see the option of home. So you need to click on it. So in home section you can see the option of setting. So how to I will create playlist, I will tell you in this video. So you need to go to the home section first of all, and now going to the home section, you need to go to the video section, and in video section save to playlist option came out here. So you need to click on the save to playlist option, and after click on the save to playlist, here option came out of new playlist. You need to click on the new playlist option, and after click on the new playlist option, here you need to select the title which you want to add for your playlist. So any random title you can create here. So I also create here enter playlist title. So and now I will create it. So I will public this playlist now, and now you can see that our playlist is created, and in playlist section you can see that our playlist got created. So hope you like this video and got valuable information from this video, and if you have any query you can simply drop it in comment section of the video. For future update you can subscribe our channel Zero to Infinity.